Hey guys, it's Camille, and I'm here with Wander DC to take you guys to go look at some of the best free museums in Washington, D.C. Don't forget to like our video below and subscribe to our channel so you can follow along for more awesome content about all things in the DMV area.
First up, let's take a look at the National Gallery of Art. This world-renowned gallery has a wide array of displays spanning from ancient to contemporary art and featuring pieces from Da Vinci, Calder, and other artists. In addition to its exhibitions, the National Gallery of Art offers public programming such as art history films, classical concerts, and hands-on activities for kids, making it a wonderful excursion for the whole family. Next, we'll look at the National Air and Space Museum. Here you can explore the power and history of flight, focusing on its inventors and the Wright brothers and the invention of the aerial age exhibit. You can also take a look at how we made it to the moon in 1969 and why and how we're going back in Destination Moon, a new blockbuster level exhibit. Let's also take a look at the United States Botanical Gardens. Here you'll find plants from all over the nation, from desert to tropical forests to beautiful orchids. You can explore inside the conservatory or stroll through the 3-acre outside gated gardens. Featuring sustainable features such as rain gardens, reuse of materials, native plants, and locally sourced furniture, the Bartholdi Fountain and Gardens is a favored, quote, secret garden of locals. Let's also look at the National Museum of African American History and Culture. Visit the only national museum devoted to documenting and sharing African American life, art, history, and culture. With 85,000 square feet of space, it's about a mile long of walking and at least 2 hours to see everything. Let's also look at the Library of Congress. Here you can explore the home of more than 128 million items, including books, manuscripts, films, photographs, sheet music, maps, and other paper documents. These have been preserved, many of which are available via different technological reading devices. Here let's look at the Smithsonian Castle. This castle can be a great place to begin your Smithsonian journey. You can see highlights from some Smithsonian museums and consult with Smithsonian experts about what you should see, all while appreciating the castle's 19th century architecture. Next, we'll look at the United States Holocaust Memorial Museum. The experience in this museum has been described as inspiring citizens and leaders worldwide to confront hatred, prevent genocide, and promote human dignity. The museum includes thousands of artifacts, documents, and photographs, as well as a list of over 200,000 registered survivors and their families. Lastly, we'll look at Ford's Theater. The theater most famous for the assassination site of President Abraham Lincoln is open to the public and includes multiple artifacts related to the assassination, but also houses productions that are performed at the theater.
Thanks again for watching and supporting our video. Don't forget to like and subscribe below so you can follow along for more content from us. Thanks, bye!